All right, beautiful peoples, welcome back to another video. All right, today what I'm going to attempt to do is try to make a vegan meal today. So first, I'm gonna start off with my carrots. I already washed them, peeled them, and got them nice and clean. We're gonna roast our carrots in the oven. But first of all, I gotta give an honor to God, who's the head of my life. Can't do this life without him, and I hope you guys out there are great. So let's jump right into this video. So I'm gonna take my avocado oil. Oh, sorry about that, guys. And I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil over my carrots, like so. So basically, I just want to give them a nice little seasoning with a little salt. Going in with pink Himalayan salt, like so. A tad of black pepper. Have you guys ever had roasted, these are organic carrots? Very good. Now you can candy these carrots also. But tonight I think I am just going to have just roasted. So we're going in with a little bit of garlic powder. Just season them to your liking. Whatever seasoning you like. A little onion powder. That's what you season them with, guys. And we're going to go in with a little paprika here. Like so. Now, what I'm going to do next, make sure your hands are clean, nails are clean. We're going to go in and get the season all over the carrots like so. Make sure that seasoning is all over them. Like that, yes. Just rub that season in there beautifully. All right, let me wash my hand. One more seasoning I do want to go in. And that's Larry seasoning salt. So we're just gonna top this with a little Larry's like this. And now we're gonna put these in the oven for 35-40 minutes and let these roast. So stay tuned. Now next what we're going to do, we're going to prepare our vegetables. I'm gonna put my pot on medium. And I'm going to go in with a little avocado oil here. Just enough to put at the bottom of my skillet here. So I'm going to let that heat up and then I will be right back and we're going to get our onions frying in our pot. All right, beautiful people. So now that we got our onions in here and they frying, now I did not chop these up. I used my grater and shredded my onions. Now next, I have some shredded carrots here I'm going in with. Now guys, this is the first time me fixing a vegan patty. So I'm excited to see how this is going to come out and taste. So we're gonna let that stir. And I want this to get a little soft so it can go into my chickpea mixture. And then next, I'm going to take some cabbage here. I have some cabbage here that I had put some salt on. So I'm going to see if I can get any water out of here. I shredded this too. So just getting a little bit of that water out of there like so. If you guys can see that water draining out of there like so. And I'm going to put this cabbage in here also. Like so. Let's get all that water out of there. Now I shredded all of this up ahead of time. so it can make the video go faster. Now, ladies, if you ladies want to go on this journey with me, I would be more than happy to have some company. You guys already know food is medicine. And I had done something recently here, and it turned something around in me. So I decided to take this a little bit further. So if that can heal me, what I did, I'm going to take this a little bit further, guys. All right, now that we have this cooking a little bit, I want this to get just a little bit more softer. So I'm going to cook this about maybe 5 more minutes, and then I'm going to turn this off. And then we are going to start getting our chickpeas smashed up, so stay tuned. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, this is 1 can of chickpeas, already cleaned, rinsed. And now what I'm going to do is take my potato masher and just start mashing these up like so, just to get it to the right texture. All right, beautiful peoples, now that I have this all mixed up, this is the texture you're looking for right here. I went in, I couldn't, you can smash it up with a potato masher or a fork, but I just went and put it in my little chopper and chopped it up. So I am going to take our vegetables that we have been sauteing, and we're going to get those in the pot like so. Let me set that over there. And we're going to give this a good mix. All right, now that we have our onions, carrots, and cabbage in here, now this is going to be our meat mixture, guys, right here. And we're going to go in with a little bit of flour. So I'm going to take 2 tablespoons. Now this is the first time me guys making this. And the liquid off of the garbanzo beans, I'm going to take a tablespoon of that. Maybe 2. All right. Now I'm going to go in and season, give that a good stir, and I'm going to go in and get it seasoned. Now you season it the way you want to season your patty. It's all up to you the way you want to season it. So I'm going to go ahead with a little Larry seasoning salt here, like so. I say about a good tablespoon of everything. A little bit of turmeric. Paprika. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Black pepper, pink Himalaya salt, just a tad bit, and we're going to go in with some traditional yeast. That is that right there. This is supposed to give it a cheesy taste. So about a good 2 tablespoons of that. Now we're going to get this stirred up real good. Oh, and one more thing I got to put in here. So let me go and chop that up, and I'll be right back. And we're going to put our parsley in here. Put some fresh parsley in here. And get it all stirred up. Because you're going to have to go in here with your hands, guys. Got to make the patties. All right. Now, like I said, this is your meat patty. You can do and make it the way you want to make it. This is the way I'm going to make mine. And I'm going to see how it's going to come out. So stay tuned. All right, beautiful peoples. Let me put the bowl up there where you can see it at. Now, I do want to go in with two more things. I want to put a little bit of Italian seasoning in there. Oh, yeah. And if you guys, I don't have any liquid smoke, but if you do, that would be great also. And some cumin. Just a little bit. Now, we can go in with our parsley. Like so. And just one more teaspoon of that aquafaba. All right, now let's give that a good stir and get ready to go in with our hands. Let's give it a good stir. Make sure all those seasonings and everything stirred up in there. Now, if you guys, I'm going to say this again, if you guys know any good vegan recipes, I would love for you to put them down in the comment box. Yes, I'm just getting started with this, you know. I'm still, like I say, eating meat, basically fish and chicken. But I'm going to go into this slowly. I will probably have a couple vegan meals a week until I get used to knowing what I can eat and what I can't eat. So, here we go. Like I said, make sure your hands are clean. Now, I have some cornmeal mix over here. So, I'm just going to take enough to make a patty like so. Now, you see, I've been seeing people with thicker patties. I like mine on the thinner side. So, I'm going to do mine like so. And then I'm going to take them over here with that, like so. And just put them down there like so. All right, now I got to get my oil. It's kind of falling apart a little bit. But like I say, this is my first time making them, guys. So be patient with me. So I'll be right back. All right, beautiful peoples, I done already got them patted out and put them in my cornmeal. So this is what they look like, guys. So I put just a little bit of oil in the bottom of the pan. And now I'm going to just drop them in like so. So I got 6 out of 1 can of chickpeas. Like so. Now I'm going to let these fry 3 minutes on each side. So I'm going to go off, clean up my mess, and when I get ready to turn them, I'll be back. All right, beautiful peoples, let's turn them. They're looking good, guys. I hope they taste as good as they look. All right, got 2 more of them to turn. Now, you could put an egg in here to bind it together, but, you know, like I told you guys, I can't eat eggs, so I'm not even going to try it. I will be finding an egg substitute, so if you guys know any egg substitutes out there for vegans, let me know. Put it down in the comment box also. I would love to know that. So, like I said, I love eggs. I just can't. They just don't agree with me anymore. So, I'm going to let these fry about 2 more minutes. Then I'm going to take them out, wait on my carrots to get done, and then we're going to taste all of this. So stay tuned. All right, beautiful peoples, we are back. So what I did here, I paired it with some rice, and I put some salt and turmeric in the rice. That's what turned it the yellow color. That is very, very good. This right here, let's cut it and taste it. Like I say, this is the first time me tasting this, so let's see what happens here. Guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, I didn't know they were that good. Guys, you gotta try this. Let's get a piece of carrot. In my purse. Hold on, guys. All right, beautiful people. Like I always say, keep your head up, keep the faith, stay strong out there. And I hope you guys try this video. Like I said, this was my first time. I love it. So anybody with any more recipes, let me know about them so I can try them. I'm loving this. So I'm gonna get off here, eat this up, and relax. So you guys have a beautiful rest of your night. Love you guys, and I will connect with you in my next video. Bye-bye.